Hello guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create search box in Microsoft Excel. It's super easy. First of all, select your data, conditional formatting, click on new role. From here, choose the last one, equal, choose your cell that you want to search in, again equal, press the first one and Excel will automatically select all of them for you. But don't forget to delete $sign here, custom the format here, from fill, select the color, okay, this is the search box that we have custom it, and here write the name that you want. As you can see here, how many themes we have in our list. It found all of them. Other name, Roa. That's all. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.